Welcome to our lecture online. Here we are given two line segments on the xy plane, and we're trying to determine if these line segments are indeed congruent, which means they must have the same length in order for them to be congruent. Now we're looking at line segments that starts at C and ends at D. Notice that the x component of those 2 points is 2, so the x component doesn't change, or the x coordinate doesn't change. The y coordinate does change. So the length is determined by the change in the y-coordinate. For line segment AB, you can see that the x-coordinate changes, but the y-coordinate stays the same. So therefore, the length of that segment is determined by the change in the x-coordinate. So now what we want to do is determine the length of CD. So the length of CD is going to be equal to the difference between the two y values here. And we're going to subtract the one from another, of course. To get the distance between those 2 points, we need to take the absolute value of that subtraction. So the absolute value of 6 minus 1, which is equal to the absolute value of 5, which is equal to 5. We can do the same for the other line segment. We want the length from A to B. Well, that's going to be equal to the difference between the two. So it's going to be the difference between minus 2 and 3. So I can go ahead and say that's minus 2 minus 3, and that would be equal to the absolute value of minus 5. Of course, the absolute value is equal to 5, and notice that, yes, indeed, they appear to have the same length. So what we can say is that, therefore, the length of CD is equal to the length of AB, and because of that, therefore, so this little symbol here, we have the 3 little dots that actually means therefore, or we can write it out. Therefore, the line segment CD is congruent to the line segment AB. And that is how we write that. So again, here we need to determine the distance between the 2 points. Notice that for C and D, the distance is determined by the y-coordinate. And in the case of AB, the distance is determined by the x-coordinate. We simply subtract the two values. It doesn't matter in which order because we take the absolute value. When we take the absolute value, we're guaranteed to get the distance, therefore the length of the line segment. In each case, we got 5. They're the same, so we can say that the length of CD equals the length of AB. Therefore, we can say that the line segment CD is congruent to the line segment AB. And that's how it's done.